So good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the intra-VLAN, how we can design the intra-VLAN. First of all, we know what is meant by VLAN. Actually, the VLAN, it is called as a virtual local area network. Suppose, let us consider about any industry. The industry, it is having a different department. For example, HR department, account department, finance, quality checking. Lot of department is there. So the department people, how they are communicating within the group itself. For that reason only, we are following the concept of VLAN. So let us consider here we are located around 8 systems. That 8 systems are it will be grouping in 2 VLAN, that is VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Also, we are connecting the interface 0/1, 0/2, 21, 22. Here also 23, 24, then 3 and 4. So first we have to assign the IP address to the respective PCs. After that, we have to configure this switch. Actually, while designing the VLAN, we have to focus on 2 things. That is switch port mode. The switch port mode having 2 types, that is access mode, trunk mode. The access mode, it will be defined, that is connect to end device. That means what? Make the connectivity from device to end device. That is from switch to end device. The trunk mode, that is connecting the switch to switch. So in this design, let us consider, for example, from here to there, we have to enable the trunk. From here to there, we have to enable the access. That means you can see once again refer access mode, trunk mode. Okay, where we have to use the access mode, that is end device to switch. Where we have to use the trunk mode, that is switch to switch. Once we done that configuration, after that the intra-VLAN, that is intra-VLAN, it will be created successfully. So let us going to assign the IP address here PC0. Go to the desktop IP configuration. Now I'm going to assign as 192.168.10.1. Then here I'm going to assign the IP address desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.2. Here desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.3. Desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.4. You can see here desktop IP configuration 92.168.20.1. Desktop IP configuration 192.168.20.2. Desktop IP configuration 92.168.20.3. Desktop IP configuration 192.168.20.4. Now the IP address, it will be assigned to the individual node. If it is doubt, you have to move the cursor here. Yeah, it is showing us 10.1. Here it is showing us 10.2. Here it is showing us 20.1, 20.2, then 20.4, 20.3. Here 10.4, 10.3. So after that, we have to do the configuration, the individual switch. Go to the switch, then click CLI, come down, then click enter. It will be showing us switch prompt. Okay, here we have to type as configure terminal. So first we have to enable that switch. Then only you can do it. Yes, enable, enable, then configure terminal. So please, you have to see here, do so VLAN. While execute this command, do so VLAN in that configure mode, it will be showing the default VLAN details. The default VLAN details, all the interface should be connected in the default VLAN 1. After that, we have to create a VLAN. After that, we have to create a VLAN. So exit that is VLAN 10. Sorry, don't mistake me. Configure terminal, then VLAN 10. Now the 10 VLAN 10 it was created. Name we can assign as HR. Then VLAN 20 name accounts. So once we can exit, do so VLAN. Can you see here the 10, 20? The respective VLAN it will be created, but till there is no any interface connected here. So we have to connect the respective interface. So the respective interface means what is 0/1? Here it is in 0/2. It is right. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 to 2. Switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN. So the 1 and 2 it will be connected under which VLAN? 10. That's all. Then interface minute exit, then interface range fast Ethernet 0/21 to 22. Then switch port mode access switch access VLAN 20 exit. So do so VLAN. Do so VLAN. Can you see this one? So 0/1, 0/2, where it will be connected? It will be connected in VLAN 10. 0/21, 0/22, where it will be connected? It will be connected in VLAN 20. So now can you see the differentiation? So what is the IP address for this machine? 10.3. What is the IP address here? 20.3. Let us going to click here, go to the command prompt, then ping 192.168.20.3. So this IP is 10.4. So we get a positive response while connecting 10.3 to 10.4. Here we can check command ipconfig 20.3. So ping 192.168.20.4. Yeah, we got a response. So here these things are it is under VLAN 20. These things are under VLAN 10. So from here to there we can check command prompt ping 192.168.10. So till the trunk it is not activated, so that's why we get a negative response. Once the trunk it will be activated, after that we will get a positive response from this same VLAN. So let us going to activate the VLAN. Here it is a trunk. So before that, here we have to configure. Go to this switch CLI, enter, enable. So after that enable, here we have to create VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So VLAN 10. sorry, configure terminal VLAN 10, name of the VLAN HR, then VLAN 20, name, accounts. After that, in that respective VLAN, we have to connect the corresponding interface. 1 minute, exit, do show VLAN. So as of now, the 10 and 20s are created, but till there is no any interface added here. Okay, look into the interface 0/3, 0/4, 0/3, 0/4. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/3 to 4. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 10. So next one, 1 minute, exit, interface range fast Ethernet 0/23 to 24. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 20. Exit. Now you can check the status of the VLAN to show VLAN. Do show VLAN. Can you see this one? 0/3, 0/4, it is connected under VLAN 10, then 23, 24 under connected in that VLAN 20. So which one it was bending now? Now it is the bending in truck. So what is this interface? 0/3. Interface fast Ethernet 0/3, switch port mode turn. Now can you see this one? It is changed to, now it is changed to up. So here it is in 0/1. Interface fast Ethernet interface fast Ethernet 0/1, switch port mode truck. Yeah, now both are, it will be activated. Go to this machine, command prompt. So ping 192.168.10.3. Yeah, we got a reply. You got a reply from this machine. So this machine of the IP address is what? 10.3. If it is doubt, you have to check one more machine. 10.4. So 10.2. As of now, we can make a communication within the group itself. So I will try to check 20.1. Not possible. So go to here. Now I locating in the machine 20.1. Ping 192.168.20.2. Yeah, I got a response. 20.3. Oh, yeah, I got a response. 20.4. For that also I got a response. I will check with 10.2. So now there is no any response because of that series. It will be the another VLAN. So this is the second group. This one also group 2. So both are, it will be communicating. Okay. With so these people are communicating within the group itself. These 4 people are communicating within the group itself. So that is the main objective of VLAN concept. Okay. So now this explanation it is over. So once we are have to make the connectivity, okay, from here to the switchboard mode access from within one switch to another switch, that is switchboard mode track. That's all.